Yes, yeah. JP Mo Orange, the ghetto professor. I wish you all the best. Bulonyaga dola bafwetu. Nebe a successful year, a prosperous year, a productive year. Okay, you're gonna I for one, when I make resolutions, I make a small resolution, but that has a big impact. Maybe my resolution is I wanna go to the gym this year. Your resolution can be I'm going back to school. Maybe you've messed up last year, you've been gallivanting, you've been undisciplined, disrespectful to your parents or to your family at large. Change. Or maybe your resolution this year is to change. Or maybe we are spina. No, nyakwita. Or you started drugs. This year you say, I'm quitting. You know, afraid to as young people. You see, this is the last moment of being young. And it will pass by. And if ani is only, you're gonna be the victim of the circumstance, and the whole day you will find yourself basking in the sun. Okay, the hustlers, small business. Your resolution maybe can be you want to grow your business to another level. The big dreamers and the big achievers grow, but this is what I would like to ask from you. What do you do with the power that you have that has made you to be so successful and achieve wonders what you have achieved? Use your power to build the next person. Teach them. Teach us how have you made it. Don't spoon feed us, but teach us. I believe in each one, teach one, and each one, teach all. That will be the motto of us to grow. Yes, Danko Mafwetu, this is Ghetto Professor JP Orange. If you have came across a nightmare, maybe you lose some part of your body, or you came across an illness, or you've experienced a divorce, or you lost your loved ones, umntwana, or the parents, or you lost a relationship, it's not the end of the world. Life goes on. Give yourself a chance. There's no chance. You have to create a chance for yourself. Mawufailile, it's not a death sentence. Ungathathi intambo bese uyazibulala or overdose ama dangerous substance because you want to take your life. No. Face the world. Face the music. That's my message for you, for Unyala Omusha. Happy New Year. Be successful. Take a step. Maybe you've never started. You can start this year a business. Let's grow together. Together we'll make more. Spirit. Thank you.